2017 Glastron 245 GTS. Designated anchor storage, pop-up cleats, walk-through windshield, bimini top, extended swing platform with marine mat, Bravo 3 drive, remote for the stereo, pressured water system, fuel fill. This boat is equipped with the Mercruiser 6.2 liter 300 horsepower engine with 80.6 hours. Walk-through transom, side storage, nice big U-wrap seating, fiberglass floor with snap-out floor covering, dual captain's chairs with thigh-rise bolsters, Ferrari-inspired gauges with built-in depth finder and tilt steering, in-floor storage, spacious, roomy, deep front bow. There's still some personal items in here from the current owner. Enclosed potty